Rao Body Membership Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get this wrong, but sustainable weight loss is rarely just about willpower. Rao Body positions itself as a modern, medically guided approach in 2025. But does it deliver? Rao Body is a digital health membership that provides access to clinicians, metabolic assessments, and prescription weight loss medications when appropriate. Everything is managed online, from consultations to ongoing support. One major advantage is medical oversight. Unlike generic diet apps, Rao Body focuses on personalized care. The surprising truth is that structured support significantly improves long-term adherence for many users. Another pro is convenience. App-based check-ins, messaging with clinicians, and home delivery of medications simplify the process. However, you won't believe what happens next if you expect instant results. Progress takes time, and costs can add up. The membership and medication fees are higher than traditional diet apps, and insurance coverage varies. In conclusion, Rao Body is best for people seeking medically guided weight management. If accountability and professional support matter to you, it can be a strong option in 2025.